Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In my previous video, the blend tool script didn't work at all. After some time, I checked again and noticed that it had been removed from the script manager. There was another version by Soulmate that works properly. So you need to install that one and remove the old one. Now select the two shapes and click on the blend tool. You'll get options for step count, orientation, fill color interpolation, and stroke interpolation. Change these settings according to your needs and preview the result. Once you're satisfied, switch from preview mode to apply, then click OK. To create a blend along a path, first create your shapes and the vector curve you want to use as the path. Then, while holding the Shift key, select the shapes first and the curve last. Next, click the script. Make sure the shapes are selected as shapes and the curve is selected as the path. Adjust the other settings as needed and preview the result. Finally, click Apply, then OK. And that's it. You've successfully created a blend in Affinity. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.